Hi everyone, my name is Angelica Jecklyne, and now I will explain my practicum about DHCP, DNS, and HTTP in a computer network. So, for this practicum, I use star topology, and the network consists of one server, this is the server, and one switch and 4 PC. So, all devices are connected to the switch as the center of the network. So the server function as a DHCP and DNS server and HTTP server. And next, I figure the IP address. The server IP is 192.168.4.1. The 4 is taken from the last digit of my student ID number, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And after that, I figure DHCP servers on the server, and the DHCP is turned on. The DHCP servers automatically gives IP address to the client PC, and the IP range start from 192.168.4.2 until the 5. And each PC get an IP address of max, default, gateway, and DNS server automatically. So let's check to the command prompt.
So use the last PC and check the result.
Okay, so next I figure the HTTP server. The HTTP server is enabled on the server. The HTTP service. So the HTTP service is enabled on the server. Okay. Okay, so I create a simple web page. In here I put my name and also my ID name and my address. The web page contains my full name, student ID, number, and address, and the web page is used to test the HTTP service. And after we create the simple web page, don't forget to click save. So this web page is used to test the HTTP service. Okay. Okay, so next I figured to the DNS server. I create domain called Jarkom. Jarkom C32. Okay. So the domain is linked to the server IP address, and now the client can access the website using the domain name. So let's check the network. After all the configuration are complete, I test the network. First I check IP address on each PC. All PC is successfully get IP address from the DHCP server. And now I open the browser on a PC. I access the website using http jarkom c32 jarkom http jarkom c32.com. Okay, so this is the result. The website appears successfully. This means the DHCP, DNS, and the HTTP service are working properly. So let's check to the next PC. HTTP Jarkom c32.com. Yeah, this is the result. We have my name, student ID, and also the address. Oh yeah, don't forget to check with the IP address. Okay. Okay, we have the same result in here for the third PC. Okay, so let's check for the last PC. I forgot the .com. Okay, we have the same result for the last PC. So the conclusion is DHCP and DNS and HTTP work together in a computer network. So DHCP assign the IP address automatically, and DNS convert domain names into the IP address, and HTTP allow communication between the browser and the web server. So thank you so much for watching. So that's all of my practicum. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.